Good morning, good evening. Greetings, everyone. How's it going? How do you feel today? Look at that pump, guys. How's it going? How do you feel today? Are you ready to continue our winnings for May 2026? We don't like those red days, are we? Look at that, guys. This is the big belly account from Lucid. I like to start my streamings, I like to start my trading days watching that P&L calendar. Look at that one. So exciting, guys. Oh. And then we're going to take care about many other. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, guys. Oh, yeah. 175 today for giveaways. Make sure to like the video. We gotta collect those numbers. And make sure to invite people on the live stream. You don't want to miss out. Having a good chat, having a good talk with all the guys out here. Alright. There you go. Oh. We're live, 125. There you go. 175, guys. 175. Invite people. Bring it on. Oh, you like that? 6% down. Little oil having a difficult time. But I don't think Nasdaq is having an easy moment around this levels. I don't think that, guys. I'm sorry, but 379. We're gonna have a hard time swimming above that. Yeah. Heavy waters about 379 today. Look at that pump. So we're going to trade a lot of FundedSeat. A lot of FundedSeat today and continue our journey. Here's the link, guys. Maximum discount scramble coupon code right there for the FundedSeat approach. You know how many accounts we've got? We've got an additional 5 accounts. Evaluations of 50K. We're having a ton right now. Look at that. So yesterday we traded 3 of 150, right? The other 2 of 50K. And today we bought 5 of 50K additionally. Because you can have unlimited evaluations and max 5 funded. But at the time, these evaluations on 50K might not be that easy passing them. So might be like to work on multiple accounts and have them ready. I can have more than 5, but anything additionally is basically going to be inactive until there are slots available. So I like to have accounts ready to be converted into funded. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, there you go. So yeah, that's the way I'm gonna go about this one. Especially I got basically today the 50K 35 persistency daily payouts, 35 consistency on the evaluation stage, daily payouts, and no consistency on the funded stage, 1-step daily accounts. Yeah, exactly. So no consistency and daily payouts on the funded stage. I like that. Certainly I like that. And we're gonna do some copy trading and get started basically with the bigger accounts on the 150,000. We're gonna set up the copy trader here. We actually have it set from yesterday. And I'm gonna test out a little short, guys. Yeah, 6 minutes short. Come on. Let's go, guys. Come on. Can we break this level downwards? What do you guys think about? Is this a proper lower high? With a possibility of accelerating below this level. That's what I'm trading right now. The invalidation would be quite simple as soon as you just get above the current flat opening candles. So if you get above the current flat opening candles, you have to get out of this, which is something I'm going to do. I like that. I like that. Come on. I'm going stop loss break even. I have to be very tight on this. Bring it down. Come on. I'm selling some of it. And I'm trailing here for the remaining contracts. I sold $837 worth of position, guys. And trailing the rest, $240. Look at that one. That's going to be a great $1,000 made on 3 accounts. We've secured that. Good morning. Badger is calling sick today. He's not feeling good today. Badger is not going to be on the stream. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. What do you guys think about? We've secured our 1,000 bucks. And I like that. Bring it down. Beautiful trade, right? 837 secured. 243 trailing. Oh! That's why you got to trail, guys. Look at that pump. Oh my gosh. It's pretty game on today. Look at that, guys. I hope he feels better today. Oh, let's just that's why you gotta use stop losses and trailings. Look at that, guys. If I would have desired bigger profits without taking profits on my short, cutting my position, securing that 800. Oh, where are the fireworks, guys? Why don't we have fireworks for this amazing trade? 1,075 profit, I'll take that. We gotta celebrate. This is a proper reason to celebrate. Yeah, for some reason, I got my hair fixed. I've cut volume. I've cut volume, guys. Thank you. So this is where we are. Looking forward, having a difficult time breaking above 379 and surviving above that. Think about it. I mean, I'd like to see the price action back to 118, yesterday's high. What do you guys think about it? Even down to 50s. It's just I'm not really sure when that retracement is going to happen. Although I'm waiting for that 27,000 as well. Don't forget me for that 27,000. I think we need a proper correction before we can restart a cycle of growth. That's going to be fully backed up by lovely institutional. Oh yeah. The sell in May and go away didn't function too well. Didn't end up too well for Nasdaq, fellas. We had a non-stop movement. Look at that. Thank you, by the way, guys. Thank you. Make sure to fill up the form and like the video. Come on. I'm still going to trade this one a little more. I'll be testing a short here of 6 minis. Yeah. Because I have a very, very clear invalidation. Which is going to be here. If we cross that, I'll have to be out. I like to consider positions that are having clear invalidations and a good probability for my predicted direction, right? So it's not just about your predicted direction, you also have a need of clear invalidation level. Right now I'm going to use the invalidation level above the current wick. I have to use that, right? So if we touch the current wick, which is just a couple of points away, I'm going to be out of this. We're playing this very, very tight. But I'm going to go break even soon. As soon as I get the opportunity, I'm going to fly break even. Look at that. The moment this candle turns green, I'm cutting partially. Right, so the very moment this one turns green, I'm cutting partially. Come on, press the pedal, guys. Press the pedal for my FundedSeat daily account. But this is 150,000, I think. Oh yeah, I like it. I sold partially. And I'm moving the rest of it on trailing, guys. We secured another $400 and leaving the rest of it on trailing. Yeah. We're copy trading 3 accounts here, and that's not an easy business. Of 150,000 flexes, right? There you go. 1,500. So we made $500 here. Oh. I like it. I like it. Five-minute shores. The bears slowly taking control. That's the 5-minute approach. Boom. So these are 3 flexes that I'm trading. 3 flexes that I'm trading here. Look at that. Of 150k. And then we have a ton of 50k daily accounts. I'm trying to get ready more than 5 funded. We don't have anything at the moment on the funded stage. We just started trading with them yesterday. We're going to continue trading for our Trade-O-Vate account here that needs $1,200, guys, to become funded. Oh, 12 AC is watching tennis in Paris. He is in Paris watching tennis. Look at that. He just posted on the group, guys. There you go. Look at that. Done for today. There you go. He got stubbed out. I just saw his post. Yes, he's blowing it up. Ask him how many seconds that he survived. Ask him. How many seconds? He should be watching the live stream, learning how to trade. Oh my gosh, guys, we're having a good time, so... You know, I'm thinking about this level here. The gap between the starting point of the red candle we have on the 5-minute and today's high. We're speaking about 356 versus 380. If we get back to this level, is one of my questions. And also 179, 118, and the 50s. Do we touch those? I'd like to touch them. Oh my gosh. $400s. Well, look at that one here. I mean, my shorts were decent, yet I had to play break even quite tight. In this kind of conditions where you have this aggressive 1-minute candles, there is no way you're not going to be tight on your stop losses. There is no way you're not going to go quickly in break even with your positions. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. You don't want the markets to run 50, 60 points in a matter of seconds against your trade. Oh yeah, especially after coming through profits. This could actually ladder nicely downwards all the way to 250s, even 240s, 245. To the starting point, basically, of the pump. Like another 50 points from here, 55 points from here. I might test out a little long here, call me crazy. But we're just undercut the price action, and we might have a few green candles. Let's see. 4 minutes long. I'm gonna go break even soon. If it lacks power, Scrumbo is gonna be out like never seen before. Oh, there you go. No, not 7. Not 7. No, no, no. Far away from making 7 figures. Yeah. Testing out an additional position here. I'm risking, guys. You see, this is a falling knife. This is a falling knife. Look at that. I'm testing this because we might have a reaction around... Nah, we don't. Maybe around the 300s here. I was looking for a few points. But it's not coming. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. Wow. Yes, he's gonna be timed out. He got a timeout, and we're gonna give him another timeout. Business lens is out. Yeah. This is the first 5-minute candle of such a size that we're having. Look at that. You don't get to see that pretty often. We're 2,000 down here overall. And there's no sign of recovery. Look at that. And you tell me this kind of price action is not scripted and totally algo driven. Totally algo driven. Exactly, the initial call. I should have followed my initial call for this target, right? Starting point of the pump. But I wanted to have this, guys. Right, this is what I wanted to have. This one. An additional step in between. An additional step in between. That didn't happen. I mean, I'm gonna try to find a green candle. To exit. Maybe I'm DCing a little bit here. Come on, give me a bit of a volume so I can get out. I sold partially, I sold partially. I sold basically everything. We're down 976 bucks, guys. I'm gonna celebrate that. I'm gonna celebrate. We're down 976. We've DC'd on the wick of the previous candle and got out on the green side. We were down more than 2,000 bucks. Yeah. We're down 3,000 and so, right? Yes. That's right, Quantum. But I'm thinking about touching along here. Around the lows. Buy limit order. I like this volumetric, guys. Look at that. You can nicely do some chart trading. I like to squeeze some nice payouts from FundedSeat quickly. But I like to squeeze those payouts even on 150k accounts. Yeah. That's why my first target is going to be to have 150k accounts funded. I'm trying to go for that. Come on, guys, like the video. We must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Thank you, Maddie. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow. Yes, indeed. Ticker cat, indeed. Not an issue at all. Yep. I'm going to be quite excited about this account on Tap 1 Futures, the daily payouts one we've got on Tap 1. Still got to do 1,200. There are so many possibilities right now with daily payouts. Or no consistency on the funded stages. You know, this prop space totally changed, guys, in the past couple of months. Totally changed. I would say in a very, very beneficial way if you know to handle your greed and emotional side and your discipline is straight up, then no consistency is there to perform. Yeah, I'd like to see that. I'd like to see down to 50s, daily opening on the 50s, maybe touch today's low or weekly VWAP. Slight below 30 grand. But I'd like to have it 118.50s. That's something I'd love to see. Look at that scripted price action, guys. Look at that. Exactly. Cheers. Thank you. So this is where we are, guys, with the price action being completely dead. Look at that. What a fake movement. You can. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna believe any green candle unless we touch the 40s, 45, 45. Not gonna believe in any green candle, I'm sorry. If we touch 300s or 300 plus before touching the 45, I'm gonna reshort it. This drop right here, you see we got out at a proper level. We got out at a proper level. This is the place we got out. Basically, this is the place we've DCA'd, and then this is the place we got out. We have a flat opening in 3 minutes. Keep that in mind at a time frame. Yeah. Look at this one, guys. Wow. What a killer price action. And it's still continuing. I'm gonna have the limit orders here as well for our buy limit, trade away. Give me some buy limits. We only got to do 1,200 and we passed this evaluation. That's gonna be juicy. Flat opening candle, which means on the hourly. This candle, which is 8 a.m. No, it's at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. EST time. That's the way I call it, a flat opening candle. From 9 a.m. EST time. Gives the algos a different direction, a different movement, a different taste. Accelerates the price action. So this opening always increases the momentum. And then the next 5-minute candle, starting on 9:25. 9:25. 5 minutes prior to New York session opening. That's also another thing, basically, that I go algo opening 5 minutes algo. I don't use anything wild in terms of algos. Look at that. I was so tempted shorting this thing, guys, the whole way. Right there, so tempted shorting it. He's out, Jake. I gave him a timeout to that guy. That guy's rubbish. He's on a timeout. We don't waste our time with silly candles and silly people. Right? Look at that. I don't think this is going to stop here without touching that wick. Oh my gosh, come on, do something, please. We've got our lovely entries in the 40s. I'm shorting this a little. Just a little, guys. Yeah. And I'll take, you know, 100, 200 bucks profit. I'll take that. Take profit here. Oh yeah. Time for pumping, right? What if I shorted at the perfect spot of recovery? What do you guys think about that? Yeah, he probably won accounts, but he's a miserable person. Yeah, I'm selling here, guys. I'm totally out here. Lovely. We secured some profits. Look at that. We secured some profits. About 300 bucks with that short. 300 bucks with that short, guys. We're down 600. 12AC should have followed our trades. YouTube has to go in your background of your smartphone, and that you got to follow the trades. 12AC. Despite being in Paris. So you gotta stop visiting museums, 12AC, and get out there at tennis games. You said you're watching tennis games. Oh, come on, guys. Do something here. We gotta trade a ton of accounts. I don't trust this long. I'm gonna short it. Yeah. 4 minutes short. I'm gonna re-add to this as we go higher, if it's needed. Lovely. Bring it down. Bring it down, big boy. Come on. Yeah, we got the big boy account in Lucid. Tick 69. We might have a little more zigzag here before the market is running. I've re-shorted, I've DC'd into this, guys. We have 6 minutes short. Our target take profit is there, and right below the take profit, we have limit orders of filling up for a new trade. Good morning, good day. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, everyone, trading our FundedSeat accounts. 6 minutes short. Look at that. Great profit. Come on, bring it down. Oh, yeah. Look at that. This would be a lovely candle to be rejected. And I can trail. I'm not having an easy time not closing out here, trust me. Oh yeah, I like it. I sold 2 contracts. Basically, I fully sold. Oops, I flattened. We are $604 profit, guys, and we're having 4 minutes long from there. Celebration time. We were down 3,000 plus. Look at that, 604 profit. Copy trading 3 accounts. And the limit orders are here. 4 minutes long. We also have limit orders here on Tradeovate. Six minis limit orders. Yes, the FundedSeat. Thank you. So you got a fireworks running in the museum. Nothing has been filled up here, guys. I don't like this. Would have loved 2 minis or maybe more. I'm putting like this. I'm putting like this. Hopefully we touch something. Undercut below that wick. We have 2 minutes filled up on Tradeovate. Yeah, it's very good, guys. It's very good. FundedSeat. We've undercut. Come on. Come on, guys. Just a little lower. What's wrong with you here? There you go. 4 contracts have been filled up. 4 contracts have been filled up. 6 contracts have been filled up. I'm DCing here for my Tradeovate 4 minis. This is going dangerous here, but I'm not selling anything yet. I've DC'd right now 2 minis. Time to see a decent reaction. Otherwise, this is gonna get so slaughtered. If we don't get anything there, that's gonna get so slaughtered. I'm not gonna enjoy that. Give me 3 green candles in a row, guys. That's all I need. And I'm out. This is dangerous. So dangerous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So, 9 minis, I've DC'd here. 10 minis. Oh my god. Nah. We're pressuring, guys. This is so bad. Look at that. We're gonna get stopped out. Yeah. We're so close of getting stopped out here. We're gonna get stopped out. Yeah. And we got stopped out. We got stopped out. What a price action, guys. Look at that. Incredible. Can't be trading the other ones, the other 50k ones. And opening my Lucid. Opening my Lucid. Opening my Lucid, guys. And time to put the other copy trading on the 50k. Daily VWAP 186. Opening Quanta with a Lucid Big Belly accounts. With this ones. Yes, I'm not worried. This is the $500,000 account. 511, 361 profit. There you go, guys, for the Lucid. Nothing worse than that. There's nothing you can do. Fred, nothing you can do with that. Yeah. They got mad, but we don't know we got sufficient buffer. We got sufficient buffer for the bears. This is so silly. What a silly price action, I'm telling you. And as soon as it starts moving to the upside, it's gonna go nuts. One candle, 40 points. Look at this price action, guys, and tell me who says chasing the price action is not making money. Show them this chart. So we have here 30 minutes of possibility of making money for the ones that do not know how to trade, but they're just chasing the price action blindly. Wow. I'm testing along here, guys. We've undercut below 2 1-minute candles that had a decent rejection. So as soon as we undercut that, we might get might get some peanuts here. Some peanuts. I'm happy if we make $900. I'm happy for this small account's 50k. Come on. Run the show. We also have this one sitting at quite a big loss. I'm not really enjoying that. No, look at that. Gotta cut it here, guys, soon. Unbelievable price action. Might just go for that 187. 379, 187, 200 points. Unbelievable. At the opening, might fly. Might fly before the opening. So let me connect to my Lucid accounts and Quantower and start trading the Lucid accounts. We got to trade our 5th Lucid account, guys. Thank you so much. We got to trade our 5th. Come on. This is quite promising here. Trust me. We can have another 5, 6, 7 points. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. And I need the money for this account. I need that money. I'm gonna accept the loss for this account. Yeah. Lovely. Come on, guys. Just a few more points here to hit our target. Come on, guys. Just a little. I'm out. 751. Celebration time, guys. We're halfway through. We're having 1,600. We're having 1,600, and we got to do $3,000. Oh, yeah. I'm not cutting anything here for the moment. We're copy trading here 2 accounts on this 50K journey. So I'm going to lock myself out of this 2 accounts. 36, 37 on the tail. 36 daily lockout. Lovely platform, guys, for the FundedSeat, a volumetric, a deep chart, web-based. You know, we've been using it with the YRM, which I'm still trading and having accounts there. Some of the guys got paid today from our community, from YRM. They're fighting. Locked myself out of this 50K ones, and we still have 5 50Ks that I wanted to trade. 5 of them are here. So I'll have to set out a copy trader for that. 543. Let's have a new group here. 5x 50K settings, 543. Parent and then child accounts for copy trading 5 accounts. Oh, there you go. And the last one on the 50K, save. This one, start a copy trader, start a copy trader. Here we are. Look at that, guys. 5 accounts of 50K. Yes. Thank you, guys. We have to trade this account on Lucid. Yep. Which has 4,000 bucks. 2,000 more will be needed here, and we're going max payout on 5 accounts. 15 grand on Lucid. Oh my gosh. 2,000 more needed here, and we're taking max payout. 15 grand, because we have 150,000 flexes. 5 funded, 4 are ready for the max payout. This is the last that we're working on. Yeah, Lucid is the best prop firm by far in 2026. Wondering about that daily. We were up 187. But I'm having a difficult time here, guys, with this account. Might have to cut my position here. Yeah. Let's see if we can get something, but very unlikely. This level is going to hold. I don't know. Yeah. 90,000. Exactly. Beautiful initial reaction. You just gotta hold. Shouldn't be a big deal. Should not be a big deal. I'm willing to accept the loss for this trade on my top one trade of 8. I'm not happy for that, but I'm willing to take a loss. The entry is bad. The trade is not correct. The question is, how do I exit for the tiny impact? I'll be testing out along here for this big boys. 5 accounts at 50,000. 3 minis. And I'm taking my profit there at $1,000 for consistency reasons. Where is the strength, guys? There is no strength. We're not even having 20 points in this whole 30 move. Not even having 20 points. Imagine. Yeah. I don't like this. We'll have to cut it away. I'm gonna cut it away here. 347 loss, not an issue, but this is problematic, guys. We sold it. Even from trade of it. Fully got out. Unbelievable price action. Haven't seen this silly structure in a while. Haven't seen it, guys. DX feed. 12 AC. DX feed connection. Oh my god. Daily VWAP sitting on 186. That's the place I could test out something. 186, 187, right? And in the meantime, maybe short it. I've shorted 4 minis on my Lucid Flex for a Quant Tower. I've also shorted on my FundedSeat accounts. Five copy trading accounts. Copy trading them. Yeah. I've added to my short here. To Quant Tower. 6 minutes short, guys. Yeah, not an easy one. So in order for this trade to function, I need the same price action structure to be executed. right? The same price action structure to be executed like we had it in the past 20 candles. Right, such as this. Which could actually lead into this level with a daily VWAP. Let's see. We're gonna find it out. I don't even need those limit orders to open up longs. I'm touching my profit for the day if I make money with this short. That was close hitting the target here, guys. On lovely, come on. Give me that 6 minutes target, guys, here. Just a little deeper. Little deeper. Oh yeah, 539, lovely. We're gonna celebrate soon. No time for celebration yet. We gotta make some money here, guys. Come on. I'm exiting of those big boys. We're making money here, 800, 700. I'm out from here. We made like 700 bucks on Trade of 8. We also had a short on Trade of 8 too. And what about here? We didn't exit this one. I don't even know if I should go break even because that's running through exactly on the upper side. Yeah, I'm gonna go stop loss break even right now at the top of the current candle. Yeah, I like it. Come on, bring it down. Bring it down, guys. I'm sorry to hear that. Solitude. Bring it down. 3 minutes to go. I'm out here for the moment. Let me get out 255 profit, clearing that loss, and 255 profit. No, we're going to celebrate, guys. We've cleared the loss there. We made about $700 in our Trade of 8. And this is, you know, we're copy trading 5 accounts here. Look at a lovely accuracy on the copy trader, guys. Look at that. The value is exactly the same. Look at that. For FundedSeat. DX feed connection with volumetric web-based. Look at that. 255 and 44 cents through all the 5 accounts. So no difference in the copy trader. Oh yeah. About to hit the target. I'm gonna long it here. I'm gonna long it here. I like it. We missed the entry. We have an entry here of a single contract. And we have 3 minutes on my Trade of 8. So daily VWAP has been touched right now. Yeah. Market opens in about a minute. I'm not red. How do you set up the copy trader on DX feed? I'm going to share with you very soon. So the copy trader is at the top right corner. This one. That's the copy trader. You want to click on that. And first thing you have to create a group. This one. Right, so you create a group like this. You click on it and then you give it a name. Do not touch the other things at all. Parent account is the next thing you got to do right here at the settings. You select the parent account, which you want to trade. Select it. And then scroll down and select the children account, which will follow the parent account, and then save it. So then you click on the group you've made, and you click start, and it will show running. Oh, that's a big drop. And we got stopped out. Oh my gosh, we got stopped out. Oh, look at that big drop, guys. Because the market opening is here. Boom. Little late. But the market opening, look at that. I mean, this is difficult, guys. This is difficult, I'm telling you. I like the fact that we're not hit here. But we got stopped out on the other side. Happens. Look at that. You trust that bouncing? Yesterday's high, 118, guys. Remember. We didn't touch 118. We did not touch 118. This is in good profit. We're not going to trade this one anymore today. I'm not risking, guys, with the volatility of the New York session. I'm going to try to trade the big belly accounts. I have a lot of the space there, and it's different, right? So I'm going to test out 10 minutes long from this level. Hopefully to touch that before it runs. That's yesterday's high. Perfectly right below. Yeah. Look at that one, guys. Can we touch those limit orders? 118, 114. I don't know. Come on. What are we up to here? Bring it down right now. Bring it down. My orders are waiting, guys, to be filled. Come on. You just have to wick. And we're flying. A little lower. There you go. 10 minis have been filled up, guys. 10 minis. Yesterday's high. Yeah. Bounce up, baby. Come on. Give me a lovely runner here. Lovely runner from here. We're 10 minis long. Oh. Might just go all the way down to daily opening, down to the 50s. Oh my god, look at that, guys. As soon as we started our live stream, the whole thing just collapsed. We're having 300 points correction. Nothing reacted. Daily we were up 200 EMA. Yesterday's high. It's just daily opening, today's low right there. But that's going to be quite deep for my order. We're 7,000 bucks down here. I mean, you know, we got buffer, 500,000. That's not an issue. Yeah. Look at that one. You called 55. I'm getting an entry on my other Big Belly account. I'm getting an entry here on my other Big Belly account. 10 minis long. On my other Big Belly account. You see, the reason I skipped trading, basically, the account that's close to the payout of fifth Lucid, right? Because this is nuts. Come on, time to see some green candles. Risky level. Risky. But I don't want to be part of the game dropping 250 points. I don't want to be part of that. Look at that, everything is getting denied. There's no 1 minute candle that looks healthy here. If they don't release the pressure, this is gonna be a difficult day for the big belly accounts. Oh, come on. It is not looking that bad as soon as it holds here. But this is difficult, guys. Unbelievable. Come on, go deep, deep, baby. Do not even dare to have a 1 minute green candle. Why would you? Why would you? Like the video, guys. Come on, we must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Why would you have a minimum green candle? Nah. Oh. Today's low, you know, we just touched that, but we have the weekly VWAP sitting around 30,007. You guys know we have 360 points right now, correction. 360 points, non-stop bleeding. Look at that. We might just witness 379 local top for the upcoming weeks. What do you guys think about? Let me ask you that question in the pool. We made a new low and then a reaction is there. I like it. So was our 30,379 local top for the upcoming weeks? At least for the upcoming weeks, could be months. I'm asking you in the chat, guys. Let me know in the pool. What do you think? Vote yes or no. Yeah, that's right, Mr. Knife Art, exactly. I just didn't expect it, no reaction pretty much anywhere. I mean, this is an overextension dominated by the shorts that you can't really expect to... You have to be greedy holding onto such a trade and have 300 points. Very greedy, right? Otherwise, this is... Oh, look at that. So what do you guys think about touching the weekly VWAP here? You want to see the accounts for sure. $22,000 loss. There might be something on that weekly VWAP sitting at 30 grand. This might just be the first red day for May. This might just be the first red day in May for the big belly accounts. Look at that one, guys. It's not going to be an easy time recovering from what we got here. Unrealized loss, 30 grand and 18 grand on the other. We don't have any green candle, and this might be hundreds of points. You know, I'm gonna cut it as soon as I have an opportunity on a 5-minute green candle. Look at that. I just need something, right? I'm gonna cut it. And maybe re-short it or something from higher. You never know. Yeah. Look at that. I mean, this one that is 10,000 down, it's not in a difficult situation. Look at the price action structure. The other trade is a lot heavier. I like this one for the moment. I like this one for the moment. Come on, bounce. We might be able to hold this level on the 30,000 mark. Look at that. It is a lovely wrap P&L. Denying pretty much everything. Look at that one, guys. Denying pretty much everything. Look at that, guys. Oh, yeah. Okay. You know, might be one of those days with 1,000 points down, guys. Look at this. Unbelievable, right? Yeah, not too far. Yeah, not too far, but... Look at that one. I need like 3 green candles in a row. Three green candles in a row, that's all I need. And we're gonna be out of this trade. Come on, push. I like to have a V-shaped recovery all the way to yesterday's high, 118. 118 would be nice. But we have that daily opening on the 50s, which I'm not that bothered. Oh my god. Oh. Come on. The next candle, I'm exiting, guys. Next candle. I'm exiting the next candle. This one, in this one. That we just opened. I'm exiting this one. I'm exiting the whole thing, this one. Come on. 5 minutes here. 10 minutes out here on this one. 5,700 loss on that one. And the other account is in a bigger loss for sure. 16 grand. But of course, we're not going to stop there. 16 grand down. I mean, the other one is, this was what? 30 something, right? More than 30,000. And this was about 15. So that's some recovery. We're going to continue the trading on this ones. Yeah. Now I have to exit. I have to exit. This is too dangerous. I gotta take that profit and maybe re-short from higher, which I think it's a much better solution. Maybe re-short from yesterday's high. Right? Maybe 118, 130s. Re-short from there if I get the chance. Yeah. Yeah, 122, 118, 120s, exactly. Find a short maybe in the next 5-minute candle. Trading Lucid, FundedSeat, YRM as well. Savius top on futures is what we're performing. Maximum discount scramble code pretty much everywhere, guys. Still watching this one closely. Look at that. Might have to re-short from higher. Which is something I wouldn't mind, to be honest with you. I wouldn't mind. You know, sometimes there is a possibility for the market to continue higher. But the profit you have is also satisfying you. Think about it, guys. And it might not worth to risk the actual profit you have for the potential profit that you might see because of the situation your PNL was a couple of minutes ago, right? Yeah. Daily opening rejecting here on the 5-minute. Might close below that. Look at that, guys. Daily opening there. It's not an easy moment for the sharks. Yeah. I think I will be testing a short from here. Could be risky. Let's see. I'm down for a short, but look at that, 2,000 bucks already secured. Come on, guys, bring it down. $4,000, $5,000 secured. I'm out here, 900 profit, and on the other side we have $7,000, not $8,000. I'm out from that one too. Oh, look at that one. So we've cleared all the loss on this account. Plus the other one is $8,400 down. That is a lovely 8,000 profit we made. Oh, let's go, guys. Scrambos and fire. Look at that. Look at that reaction as soon as we got out of the trade. Boom. Trading 101. Scalping. Scalping 101, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So we made money here, 930. Calling it a day here, 930 profit after being down 15,000. And then on this one, we're 8,400 down after being down more than 30,000. More than 30 grand was at some point. But I'm still not going to leave it there, guys. I'm going to push for higher. Make sure to like the video. It's not an easy moment longing the price action, guys. I'm telling you. It's not an easy moment longing the longs. You got to long the longs. But you see, on 10 minutes, it's not that simple. Yeah. From the balance standpoint, it's not an issue. Absolutely not an issue from the balance standpoint. I'm not going to touch the markets right now. No. Even though this might go a little higher, I'd like to re-short maybe from yesterday's high or levels around 122, 130s, 125, maybe around that level. Maybe re-shorting from there if I get the opportunity. Well, look at that, guys. This is not that simple. This is not that simple with the longs. Not really. I think it's going to slow down. Look at that. I think we're going to slow down heavily. Yeah. I use 5 minute, 1 minute for the execution, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. But the main approach is 5 minute in combination with 1 minute. This is a very interesting 1 minute candle. Very interesting one. I'm gonna long it, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna long this one for a little continuation. I'm happy with a couple of grand here. I'm happy with a couple of grand. I'm not going to be greedy on this one, no matter how high it's going to go. Trust me. No matter how high this is going to go, I'm not going to be greedy. I'll have my take profit there. Come on. A few more points, slightly above that previous high. And that could appear in the next candle. This is looking healthy, guys. 10 minutes long, this is looking healthy. Give me that target. Give me that target, guys. Nah. I would have a lovely $7,000 profit there. I mean, we had an extremely powerful 1 minute candle that should have. Ha 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 ha. Did you tell them you need a green tea for trading? You need a green tea for trading, so they would give you a bull. You gotta be very specific. Green tea for trading. This is not a bad candle we have right now. Not a bad candle we have right now. Keep it going. I got my green tea fixed. Come on. Just a little more, guys. Oh my gosh. Just a little more. Oh, there you go. Target has been hit. We're down 1,300, but that's not an issue. We were more than 30,000, 35, something like that. Celebration time. There you go. Oh. Celebration time. Fireworks show. Boom. Boom. We're down 1,300. And we were down more than 30, probably about 35. You guys want to see that? What was the top for unrealized P&L being down? What was the top? Not using Wix. Not using Wix for Confluence. For my swing trading, not using Wix. I'm just looking at the Wix for swing trading investments or swing trading long-term approaches, but scalping Wix Confluences I don't think I'm going to go to 538 because I'm not going to trade that much. You know, as soon as we turn this one green, I'm out. Especially if that happens on the live stream, I'm out. It's wild, but I like it. We have 4 green candles in a row. 5 minutes. Look at the chart, guys. I think we have a decent chance for the next 5 minutes to be red. We have a decent chance for the next 5 minutes to be red. I'd like to take that. Maybe at the opening of the next 5 minute candle, I'm gonna short it. Maybe. So much enthusiasm after being down more than 30,000 just like 20 minutes ago or something. Well, you can check that out on the live stream. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, guys. Let's bring up the numbers. What's happening here? Cashback. We're getting cashback, but wife is shopping. All I see on the live stream is emails and cashback. Oh my gosh. How many likes do we have? 152. We gotta bring up the numbers, guys. Come on. Bring up the numbers. I don't know if Not that convinced here. Maybe we go for that yesterday's high. 118, 120s. I think it would be quite decent for me to wait. That would have been a lovely short, guys, right there. As I said, as soon as this 5-minute candle opens, jump on a train. In Budapest. 130,000 cash back, not really. Stop loss setup. Dynamic stop loss. Yeah. Well, you see how I'm trading my 5th Lucid slowly. Here's the 5th Lucid, guys. It has 154, 560. We made 539 today. And we got to bring this one to 156. Then we have 5 accounts ready for max payout. Which I find it lovely. Which I find it lovely. Oh, look at that. They're pressing the pedal. I'm gonna test out along here. Testing out along here. 10 minis long. Come on, guys. Rip it. I just want to see myself on a green P&L on overall. Nah. I shall wait a little more here. Not an issue. Not an issue. We got a daily opening here around the 50s. Could give us something. There is room for the upside. That's why I've longed it for another 20-30 points. Goodbye. Oh, look at that drop. $10,000 bucks, $11,000. What happened? Yes, yes. I can still request a payout. Yes, Jonathan. I don't need 5 days in a row. I only need 5 days totally between each cycles. I'm sorry to hear that, 12AC. You're always welcome here. The form is here, down. Let me share with you. And it's also in our Discord. So if I have a red day in between the profitable days, it's not an issue. It's not an issue for Lucid Flex accounts. If I close this one on minus 10,000, it's not influencing the payout at all. Even if I have minus 100 or 200 grand, it's not influencing the payout at all. Even I'm gonna stop trading soon on this one. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna get into the giveaway soon. Badger is not here today. We're gonna do the giveaways on our own. Come on, bring it back up. Bring it back up. Make sure to fill out the form exactly the way your name is on YouTube. The one when you're seeing when you chat. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Break. Break of 2 minutes. I'll be right back. 2 minutes break. And please, please, during this 2 minutes of break, bring the price action back to 112. Bring the price action back to 112. I'll be back in 2 minutes. And bring the likes up, guys. Bring the likes up. Minimum 180 likes, remember. Minimum 180 likes. Oh my gosh, we're down a lot. This is so freaking bad. Oh, the price action is going all the way back to my target. Because we got the golden and the royal penguin, guys. We got a penguin here, look at that. This is the way I've been trading today. You can't see it too well, right? The penguin. Look at my penguin. This is the way we've been trading today. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. But this penguin right now is going to sort it out. Is going to sort it out for me. I got no choice but to let it fly because the market is reacting at a very important level. Look at that. Weekly VWAP. Rip it. Penguin. Yep. Are the penguins flying? Or it's a flightless bird? How do you know it, guys? So what's happening here? We're gonna start a giveaway soon. Nice bird. And then obviously the whale. This one. Huge whale. Yeah, superb animal for trading. Better than duck race if we would do penguins. Slow pump for 200s. Okay, I'll take that. Now I'll take a double bottom here on the weekly VWAP. We're down 10,000 bucks. We have to trade our Savius accounts, guys. We have to trade our Savius. Let me switch over to Savius on Quant Tower. I'm going to leave this trade open. And we're switching to Savius. Trade remains open for Lucid, and we're switching to Savius. Giveaway starts soon. Make sure to like the video. We got to collect the target. 29,800. That's going to be quite deep for me. But I'll take that. We got a big belly buffer. Hopefully capable to digest it. So Savius. I'm longing 4 minis on Savius. You have to watch that, guys. There you go. 4 minis long on Savius. I like it. We're almost out here. Almost out. I like it, guys. Almost great profit. 1,500. That's the max profit we got to do in a day. 1,500 because of the consistency reasons. Look at that one. 1,504 copy trading on 3 accounts. Celebration time. Oh, Scrambo's on fire. Prop Firm's getting terrified. We have 154. And we need to do 3,500 extra. And we're taking payouts from 3 accounts. It's going to be juicy, guys. Like 7,500 payout from all the 3. Lovely Savius performance. Easily, quickly. For those of you that care about Savius, instant funding, 5% target. Let me drop you the links. You can only benefit of 60-65% discount. DRC, I'm sorry to hear that. You want to slow down on your... you want to certainly slow down on your sizing. Very important right now. Slow down on your sizing and take 1 day off. 1 day off. Plus slow down on your sizing, DRC. And before you slow down on your sizing, you want to take that 1 day off and find some comfort for your mental state in different things. You got to touch some grass. You got to do some other stuff that you have next to you. Yeah, we're going to do 90,000, Fred. We're going to do 90K. Giveaway coming out soon. That's a pretty harsh denial on me. We still have our Lucid account trading. Let me show you that as soon as we connect back to Quant Tower, and then we start the giveaways. So let me show you guys what's happening here. Now I gotta disconnect from Quant Tower, reconnect. Oh, there you go. So make sure to join our Discord community, guys. You don't want to miss out if you want to participate in the game and the giveaways. You got to be part of this one. Thank you, Fred. Thank you. Thank you, Jake. Touch some grass. You don't like that expression? Touch some tennis grass at Wimbledon. Touch some grass, stands out for it, take some time off. And enjoy the nature. Oh, there you go. That's a lovely dump. And I'm getting hit big time. But you know, I'll survive. I will survive. No fireworks for the moment. Look at that. This is the way it looks, guys. I'm not too happy about the 1 minute candle we closed. But we're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix this PNL right there. We're gonna fix it. And now it's time to take care about the giveaways. I just wanted to show you that I still have my trade open and have full transparency on that one. So let me tell you guys, tomorrow, you guys will find out what happened with this account here. You guys will find out what happened with this account. We're staying on minus 15 grand. At some point we were minus 30 plus. And at some point we're down 1,200. So we made 30 grand recovery. I just hope we're not going to recover back into minus 30 grand. You know, this is interesting. All right, guys. So what do we need? Oh yeah, we need a wheel. We need a ducks and we need formula. I'm gonna run today's giveaways. No Badger here. He is calling in sick. Oh yeah. Badger is calling in for a sick day. So we're gonna do, guys, first giveaway, listen up, but before we touch that, how do you participate? Well, you're certainly gonna like the video. Come on, do it. Everyone go ahead and like the video. Everyone go ahead and like the video. Then the next thing, you certainly want to complete a formula. Exactly. Exactly. Totally rigged. No one could blame me. No one could blame the game. Joconda. Please do a photo. Do a screenshot. Do something with the AI. Have an image done with the AI. And next thing, like the video, be subscribed, complete a form, do all these things. We're subscribing, guys. We're subscribing 8 AM EST time, daily giveaways, daily live stream from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, running big time on trading. And then we also perform giveaways. And therefore, you got a Discord link, guys. The first giveaway will be $25,000. Tap on Futures Elite Daily account. With no consistency and daily payouts on the funded stage. Tap on Futures, $25,000 Elite Daily. Only a single guess per person. Do not run multiple numbers. Do not spam. The numbers will be simple, between 0 and 8. Guess the numbers, guys. Between 0 and 8, you can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 8. Best choice, everyone. Oh my gosh, we're trading on the 50s. We'll have to take that loss at some point. We'll do so. Not afraid of taking losses. David, no spamming. You're going to get a timeout if you continue, David. Trust me, David, you're going to get a timeout if you continue. Alright, so let's just give David a timeout. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. No more guesses, it's over. David is going to have a nice timeout. Ten minutes. Yeah. Look at this going, guys. This is pretty ugly. But you're going to see what happened on the account tomorrow. You're going to see what happened on the account tomorrow. Lovely. Time to spin the wheel. Best of luck, everyone. Shuffle. And here we are. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. That's not going to be number 2, Jake. I'm sorry. Not going to be number 4, 8, 7. Thinking about number 3. Whether we move to number 1. Oh, look at that deep retracement all the way to 900s. Yeah. You guys will see what happened on this trade tomorrow on the stream. Number 3 for the winners. Congratulations. We got you with number 3. Where's the duck race? Here's the duck race. We got the names. Purple Ninja Facts. Look at that. They're not playing, right? 30 seconds competition time. Shuffle, there you go. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Look at the AD leading, but then getting stopped down. Obviously, the best ranked number 1 is winning. 30 days, freezy. Oh, 30 days, congratulations for that. Look at that. 30 days, congratulations for that. Good job. Let's just go ahead and find out if you completed the form. 30 days. Did you? Did you fill out the form 30 days? Yes, you did. Congratulations, buddy. $25,000 Tap 1 Futures account goes out to your pockets. Elite Daily account with daily payouts. And no consistency on the funded stage. Good job. Good job. Continuing, guys, with the next giveaway, which is going to be a Lucid one. I know you guys like the Lucid ones. So let's just take it slowly. 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro. We're going to have the following numbers. I still did not exit my trade. I'm still holding. Watch out for the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between 0 and 6, each number appears once. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice, guys. Come on. 2 accounts today. Would it be interesting how you would do that? How are you planning to go about 2 accounts today? We have members that are playing around for months, and we're not as lucky. Lovely reaction, guys. Lovely reaction. We're still holding around the trade. I like the reaction. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Game over. Game over. This is the second giveaway. We have actually totally four. Four giveaways. Time to shuffle and go with it. I like the reaction we had here, about 50 to 60 points. Obviously, there's a long way to go, but I'm going to sell in the top and buy back cheaper. Not going to be number 6. Could be number 1, guys. What do you think about? Are you happy with number 1? Otherwise, I'm going to press the pedal, press the gas, and goes into 5. Tell me. Quickly, tell me. Oh, I see you're happy with number 1. There you go. Number 1. Congratulations for winners. Unfortunately, that was pretty close, guys. Number 1 for the winners. Congratulations. 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 We got quite a few. We got quite a few. 18. Best ranked is gonna win. Best ranked is gonna win. 50,000 Lucid Bro. Best of luck, everyone. 12 AC, look at that. He's leading. Yeah, I'm gonna turn up the paddle for Torve C. Look at that. I'm gonna stop him out. No worries. Paris. There you go. Congratulations. Oh, look at that. Paris. Arianna. Congratulations, Arianna. Congratulations, 50,000 Lucid Pro. Arianna Parisi. Congratulations. Parisi Arianna. Congratulations. Oh. Great. Great stuff. 50,000 Lucid Pro goes out to your pocket. Good job. Good job. Continuing. Continuing, guys. Continuing. The next one is going to be FundedSeat. Oh my gosh, we're down again. Look at that. The next one is going to be 50,000. 50,000. FundedSeat. Flex. 50,000 FundedSeat Flex. 50k FundedSeat Flex. No consistency on target on the funded stage. A lovely account. Lovely. So, watch out for the numbers. Between 0 and 6, you can start right now. Let me know your best choice. I like that reaction we just got. I like it, guys. Let me know your best choice between 0 and 6, guys. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Abdul You're gonna get a lovely timeout. Abdul Ahmad, you're gonna get a lovely timeout for spamming. And you're not gonna qualify, basically. No matter what. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Look at that. Trading on the 50s. I haven't got out of my trade. That's going to be number 6, guys. That's going to be number 6. You can chill out. Yeah, you can chill out. I wanted to stop at number 5 on the wheel as an entry. But then I thought, let's have the number 6. Surely that's going to come out. Surely that's going to come out. Number 6 for the winners. Congratulations. Look at that. Trading on 70s, guys. Ho, 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 ho. I like it. I like it. I like my buffer. Congratulations for the winners. Let's see. So we got this one with the number 6. We still have one more giveaway. There's about 20 people that left the chat. Well, there's quite a few with a number 6, guys. I mean, obviously, not extremely and heavily popular, but there's still 25 competing for 30 seconds, guys. Best of luck, everyone. This is a FundedSeat account, 50,000 flex, guys. Remember. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. Kevin. Oh, there you go, Kevin. There you go, Kevin. Congratulations for that one. 12 AC on the 5th. Kevin is right there. Oh my gosh. Strawberry. Not your lucky day, but you've been through some races today, 12 AC. What happened with your luck today? Kevin, who? Kevin, did you fill up the form for the 50,000 FundedSeat flex? Oh, yeah. Haha, congratulations, buddy. Look at that. That's a lovely one, Kevin. That is a lovely one. Going for the last giveaway, which will be 50,000 YRM, guys. Last giveaway will be 50,000 YRM. $50,000 YRM for the last giveaway. Oh, trading about 30,000 again. We still have our long. I told you I'm going to show you what happened with the trade. And you want to do the math. This went down to 878, and my entry is probably higher than the 50s. So we're 130 points with 10 minis. Do the math. Uh, 50,000 YRM right now, getting ready for it. Watch out for the numbers. We're only having 5 numbers. Between 0 and 4. You can start right now. Between 0 and 4, guys. Kevin should be here. Probably he's celebrating right now, guys. Do not bother him. He's jumping around and throwing things. Between 0 and 4, guess the number, guys. Purple, you've been going with a number 3 big time. We're sitting on number 3 right now on the wheel. So that might be a sign. I can tell you, that might be a sign. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. David. Strange David. This guy's not going to get a timeout right now. Let me just Giving him a little timeout. David, you're gonna get a timeout again. As I said, fellas, no spamming. No spamming. Shuffle. Here we are. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck. Bots are out. Lovely trading above 30 grand. All the way into 20. This is not going to be number 2, but that could be. Could be number 3, purple. Look at your number 3, purple. It was on green. It used to be on green, but now it's on yellow, and that's going to be a number 3. Jake and his number 2 is not here today at all. But that's going to be the number 3. Congratulations for the winners. Oh yeah, look at that. Lovely number 3. Congratulations for the winners. That's a big hit, right? Time for the duck race. This is the 4th giveaway for today. We're trading around the 20s. Look at that. Can we go all the way to 130s? I'll have a lovely profit if we touch that. 30 seconds competition time. You know who's going to win this race? The second ranked. We're going to do some 30s. The second ranked is going to win this race, guys. Second ranked is going to win. 50,000 YRM. Second ranked is going to win. Think about how painful it's going to be for the first one. How painful it's going to be for the winner. Wall of Trades. Wall of Trades, unfortunately. Tello winning, guys. Tello the second ranked. Congratulations, Tello, for being the second ranked. It is what matters today. Tello. Did you fill out the form? I guess so. Yes, congratulations, buddy. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for a lovely streaming we had. Oh, yeah. We're still down on the account, but we're looking forward to handling this one way or the other. You guys will find out tomorrow what happened on the account. That was quite difficult. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Scramble coupon code maximum discount. We're continuing our discussions on Discord. Have a lovely day, lovely time.